Hello, lovely and wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time. I uploaded new video on my YouTube channel. So this weekend I'm here to show you how I made this delicious and nice chicken pie. So let's go. These are my ingredients right here. I have 3 cups of whole flour, and then I have 4 medium size of chopped potatoes, 400 gram of minced chicken, 4 tablespoon of melted butter, and then chopped onions, salt, baking powder, and 1 egg. So you can be, creative with your dough and your fillings. You can add vegetables to your fillings, and then you can also add your own spices to your dough. Okay, so right now I'm going to make my filling first. So I'm just going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, and then the first thing I'm going to add is my minced chicken. I'm going to cook till it changes the look, and then add chopped onions, add spices, and then add my chopped potatoes and mix together till it's done. Just add a little bit of water, to make it stick together, because you won't really like it when it's watery. So you can add vegetables to it if you want. Vegetables like carrot, green pea. Alright, so right here, I'm going to make my dough now. You can add milk to your dough if you want. But right here, I'm just adding my chicken, stock, and butter, and egg. A little bit of salt. You can add any other spices. If you want it spicy, you can also add spicy pepper if you want it spicy. So I'm going to make my dough and knead till it's smooth. So after that, I'm going to roll it out and then cut it out in round shape. Round shape, just for anything you have in your house that you can use to cut, and just measure it with 7 to 8 centimeter measurements. I think that would be fine. So I'm just going to be using one of my sauce to cut out the shape right here, sauce bowl to cut out the shape. And then after cutting it out, what I'm going to do next is to put the fillings on top of one shape, and then add the other shape, and then add the other shape on it. So that's just how I'm going to do it. Just put your fillings on it, and then use the other shape, and then cover it with the other shape and pin it with your fork. Use that to cover it, and then pin it with your fork. So now I'm done setting it on my baking tray. So what I'm going to do next is just to use my egg yolk, raw egg yolk, or you can use a whole egg, to rub the surface, just to make it, to give me that golden look after baking, and to also give it a smooth surface. So I'm just going to rub it with the egg yolk and brush it up, and that's all. So I baked it with in my oven for 20 to 25 minutes with 180 degrees centigrade. So right now it's done. It's even almost done. So